Welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to create a photo design using just your mobile. We will start with a simple photos and turn it into a clean kitchen design. Click the import button, go to the gallery, select the picture, background remove, eraser color, enable button on, adjust the picture, click the sticker, select the sticker, background remove, eraser color, enable button on, adjust the picture, click the color option, change the color, select the color. Now your design is ready. Thanks for watching and see you in a next tutorial.